this guide, we are going over how you can get Dio's Diary here in Bizarre Lineage. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Dio's Diary is a rare item that you need if you want to complete the Journey to Heaven questline, which is required, obviously, to evolve Seamoon into Made in Heaven, by far one of the strongest stands in the game. Because of this, most in-game players eventually do need to farm Dio's Diary, and there's two main ways to do it. The first method is by defeating the Dio raid boss. Even though the fight can be difficult, it's actually the most reliable way to get the item. The reason for this is that during the Journey to Heaven progression, you actually need to fight Dio several times and achieve the S rank raid completions. While completing these raids, you actually will naturally have multiple chances to get Dio's Diary dropped, and because of this, many players end up getting the item while completing the raid normally instead of farming it separately. The second option is by opening up legendary chests. When you do defeat bosses like Dio, you're going to receive legendary chests as rewards, and when you open these up, there's a chance that you'll get Dio's Diary from them. However, the diary is classified as a mythical item, meaning the drop rate is extremely low from chest. Because of that, relying only on the chest openings is usually not the most efficient strategy. The main purpose and method to get it is by farming Dio itself. But once you do get it, you can use it to evolve your stand, and to use it, you do have to have Seamoon equipped. Once you're ready, go ahead and find any bus stop, it doesn't necessarily matter, and then fast travel to bus 18 and head to the Pookie NPC inside that cathedral. Give him Dio's Diary, and then of course the evolution process will begin and Seamoon will transform into Made in Heaven. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.